In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your location on ZipRecruiter so your job recommendations better match where you actually want to work. Maybe you've moved to a new city, you're planning a relocation, or you just want to expand your search area. Updating your location is quick, but it can make a big difference in the kind of jobs you see. First, open your web browser and go to the ZipRecruiter website. In this example, we're using the Irish site, so you type in ziprecruiter.ie in the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual details before moving on. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, you're ready for the next step. Now, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see your profile area there, usually shown as your name, a profile icon, or a small avatar. Click on this to open the profile drop-down menu. This menu is where ZipRecruiter keeps all your personal account options. So anytime you want to adjust your settings, this is where you'll start. Take a second to make sure the correct account is selected, especially if you share a computer or have multiple accounts. From that profile drop-down, you'll see an option called Manage Profile. Go ahead and click Manage Profile. This will take you to the main profile settings page where you can edit your personal information, your resume details, and of course your location. It may take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll see different sections for your profile information. On the profile page, find the section where your current location is displayed. This might show your city, region, or country depending on how you set it up before. Click into that location field to change it. Here, type in the new city or area where you want to focus your job search. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Choosing one of these suggestions can help make sure the location is recognized correctly by the system. When you're updating your location, think about how specific you want to be. If you're open to a wider area, you might choose a nearby major city or a broader region. If you're only interested in roles very close to you, use your exact town or city. Also remember that your location can influence not only job alerts, but also how your profile appears to employers searching in a particular area. So choose the place that best matches your plans. After you've entered your new location, it's important to save your changes. Look for the button labeled Update Profile on the page. This is usually found near the bottom or in a clearly marked area. Click Update Profile to confirm and save your new location settings. Waiting a moment for the page to refresh is normal. Once the page reloads, quickly double check that your new location is showing correctly on your profile. From here on, ZipRecruiter will start using this updated location to tailor your job recommendations and alerts, helping you see more relevant opportunities where you actually want to work.